There is one important note that you always have to keep it in mind while performing some arithmetic operations, especially when you are actually dealing with decimals. What I mean to say is, so earlier in our previous video, we have performed many arithmetic operations, but when you are actually dealing with the decimals, that is 0.1 plus 0.2, you maybe know that 0.1 plus 0.2 is nothing but 0.3. But when you just hit enter, see here, Python has given the output not exactly as 0.3, but it has given 0.3 so and so zeros, and it has already given the last digit as 4, which is not precise. It happens with almost all the programming languages, including JavaScript and Python and almost all the programming languages. So it has this kind of disadvantage, and this is pretty much helpful when you are actually performing some heavy financial calculations. But always keep in mind that this particular decimal operations will always give you not precise results. So that's what we have to keep in mind always when you are actually dealing with decimal numbers. Okay. So now here I would also like to tell you one more thing. Like when you are actually performing some operations, like you want to do some multiplication, like 2 multiplied by 3. So it is not mandatory that you have passed 2 asterisk 3 and it has given you 6 just like that. You can also do in this way, like 2 and you have given so and so space, you have given asterisk, and you have also given 3, and if you just hit enter, see here, it has already given you 6. Here, providing space in between the characters while performing any arithmetic operations doesn't matter because Python doesn't care. It always treats you as a kind of, it always gives you freedom while performing so and so arithmetic operations.